Anybody tell anybody else it's hot in here? If you didn't know it, it's hot in here. We're going to do, I couldn't wait to get here to Arkansas to do this set. I'm going to tell you why. I'm doing a bunch of songs I don't normally sing, and a bunch of songs that I call out of the box, that you don't hear much. And I would love to take complete credit for this set list, but I didn't pick any of the songs. Cody did. And yeah, thank you, Cody. I love you too, Bubba. No, really, I really want to take a serious moment here, and I got to make a lot of noise for my brother, Cody Dalenath, from putting on an amazing festival for UGA festivals, the whole crew. I'm proud of this guy, and I love you more than you know, Bubba. I got to tell you something that I don't let anybody else in the world pick my set list but him. And that's a true story, because I feel like when he picks the song, if I don't learn it, I'm going to get beat. So, because working for Cody's great. He's never mean. You don't hit nobody, I swear. All right, let's do an old Willie Nelson song, man. Let's do it.
Oh, I see her, blue eyes crying in the rain. When we kissed goodbye and parted, well, I knew we'd never meet again. In the rain, yeah, I said with blue eyes crying in the rain. I said blue eyes crying in the rain. Honey, sing it for me now. Hey!
Blue eyes crying in the rain.
Give me some, Glenn. Blue eyes crying in the rain. Yeah. I said blue eyes crying in the rain. Yeah.
Give it up for Miss Dana Myers and Quinn right there. Working hard for you all weekend, man.